Costa Rica, end of 2022, and I'm on a hike through the rainforest of Costa Rica. Unbelievable. I mean, this is crazy stuff. You ever get lost in here, you're going to probably be going forever. All types of native plants. It's about 85 degrees. Careful.
Yeah,
One step at a time.
you have a few more to go.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Be careful what I do. It did seem like
So we're taking a walk.
It ain't.
Hey, how are you? Huh?
It ain't as bad.
I know. Of course not. This is the rainforest, though.
Yes.
And going, watch where you put your hands because of the ants. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. No, don't worry.
Going through, no worry. Yeah, there you go. Going through the rainforest right now. How are you?
Good.
There's some water streams down there. So they say you ever get lost in the jungle, keep going downhill till you hit a stream, and then follow a stream or go to a bigger stream, and you'll find your way out to a settlement somewhere. Okay, we're going to end this video right here.